Hey Atlanta REIA, Vena Jones-Cox. Headed tonight to the REIA meeting here in Cincinnati, and yes, I always dress like I'm going to a garden party in England in 1910. No, I'm just kidding. There's a trade show tonight, and I have a table for my wholesale business, so trying to be memorable. You like the hat? But I'm going to be back in Atlanta on Saturday, March the 30th to do an all-day workshop for you guys, and it's going to be building on some of the stuff we talked about at last week's meeting. In the morning, we're going to talk about how to build your wholesale business by both being able to do more kinds of deals with more kinds of sellers. We're going to talk about what you do with bank-owned properties and short sales, things that are not assignable. We're also going to talk about hiring people for your business and who your first hires might be, like virtual assistant type people. And then in the afternoon, we're going to shift gears and we're going to talk about what to do with the deals where the sellers really do want to sell, but they can't sell at a wholesale price. And spoiler alert, the answer is owner financing, but we're going to talk about different types of owner financing and what they're good for and how you can use them for long-term wealth, but also to help you make more money when you flip properties. So by the end of the day, you'll know a lot more about different ways to do deals and do them better and with less of your time. And I hope that you will join me there. It's really cheap to come. I'm sure Dustin will hook you up with a register button under this video, but I look forward to seeing you there on March the 30th.